Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do another mukbang. I have some, if you can like see because it's like hanging out, is some mussels and some crab legs. So I cooked the mussels in this like curried Thai paste with like garlic and paprika and like flakes and stuff. It smells like so... It smells so good. You guys can see. I'm gonna try it in the butter. Mussels are so good. And not only are they good, they're like pretty cheap, which is super awesome. I bought a 2-pound bag for $3, which is pretty sweet. I'm trying to think. So in my last video where I did like the crab legs and steamers, this woman commented on it, and basically she was like, you don't know how to eat crab legs. I was like slightly confused because I really think there was like a specific way of eating crab legs. I mean, as long as you get the meat out, right? And I thought I got all the meat out. So someone could comment down below and tell me like, is there a special way of eating crab legs? Because I truly didn't think there was. And I'm sorry if I offended anybody by not eating it the right way. But I don't know, maybe they thought like I was just throwing some pieces away, but they really had no meat in it. And I'm pretty sure you don't eat the shell. So, I mean, isn't soft shell crab like you could eat the shell of that? Like, there's no meat in that. I don't know. Can someone tell me, well, any of you can tell me, what are your guys' favorite seafood? Like if there's one that you think you could eat every day, what would it be? I think mine would have to be, I would say lobster, but I don't know. I feel like crab has really been becoming like my go-to lately. Oh my gosh, this piece is like super hard to get out. Oh guys, look at that. Oh, so good, you guys, so good. I'm just eating it with butter. When they pull out just a whole piece, it just makes it so much better. This is so good. Oh, should mention, I'm drinking wine out of my I Love Coffee cup. Probably should have grabbed a straw. I wish I had a napkin, but I did not bring one. A little bit about myself. You know who I am. So my name is Hannah. I'm 24. And I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 daughters. One is my biological. She's 2. Then I have a stepdaughter who is 7. No, 8. And we have full custody of her. And honestly, like, I think the thing with YouTube is, like, it's a completely different world. Like, anybody can agree. There's so many different kinds of videos that it's just like a different world. It's so fun to go on. There's so much information out there. And not only that, but, like, there's been so many times where, like, I felt sad. And I go on YouTube and, like, I watch these people's videos and they can help me with, like, advice on things, and, like, they don't even know that they're, like, touching me and making a difference in my life. So I think that is, like, what I like about YouTube. And it's, like, a place for me to, like, it's like a hobby that's, like, mine. You know what I mean? Like, I can tell Eric, like, oh, can you give me, like, an hour and a half to go make a video? Because it's something that I enjoy and that I have other than, you know, just being a mom. Which is nice, you know? It's a bit of a escape. So and, like, I just love supporting other people's channels because I know, like, it takes a lot to put yourself out there. It takes a lot to open yourself up to somebody, and, you know, you can get criticized and you can get hateful things towards you. So I commend everybody who makes videos, because it takes a lot of courage, you know? Like, whenever I come across a channel, I'll always subscribe to them, because, but I mean, and I'll still watch their videos, you know? And maybe it might not be every single video, but I'll always like stop in, check out, you know, their stuff, see what's going on. Gosh, my hands are so dirty. I don't like it. Something about hands and like food kind of grosses me out. Like this one, for example. Oh, yeah. And I live in New England. I have great access to really good seafood. Because I'm like close to Maine, close to the beach. So that was like an epic fail. Ah, my hands. Sorry, that was like really hard. Oh, this is like in my way. So I'm pretty much done. Finished it all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below if you guys want to see any like certain kinds of videos or whatever. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.